Hey there, viewers! Seeds are great for your health, especially sesame. In today's video, we will be discussing the 11 health benefits of sesame seeds. Do they help relieve knee pain? Strengthen your bones? What about their impact on your blood sugar levels? We'll be talking about all of these and more. Number 1. Bye-bye knee pain. Knee pain is exhausting. It significantly lowers your quality of life. But if you eat sesame seeds daily, there's a high chance you'll get rid of your knee pain. Sesame seeds have a specific compound that reduces inflammation and protects your bone cartilage. Usually, arthritis is the root cause of knee pain, but sesame seeds successfully fight this off. In a study, people with knee arthritis were given 5 tablespoons of sesame seed powder every day for 2 months. The group that ate sesame seeds along with drug therapy experienced a 63% reduction in pain. Number 2, protein power. If you're a vegan or vegetarian, sesame seeds are a wonderful source of nutritious plant proteins. Just a 30-gram serving of sesame seeds gives you 5 grams of protein. Plant-based proteins are essential for your muscles, skin, hair, and hormones. Kidney beans and chickpeas are also great sources, but sesame seeds are rich in 2 types of amino acids that legumes don't provide much of. Before you buy any type of sesame seed, there's something you need to know. Hulled roasted sesame seeds are the best. That's because hulling and roasting removes compounds that mess with digestion and absorption of protein. Number 3, triglycerides and cholesterol. Eating sesame seeds regularly will help decrease your high triglyceride and cholesterol levels. Sesame seeds are loaded with healthy fats, especially polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fats, which are great for reducing cholesterol. Number 4, better digestion. Sesame seeds are filled with dietary fiber, which aids digestion by adding bulk to your food in the digestive tract. This results in better bowel movements and can help regulate blood sugar levels. Number 5, lower blood pressure. Sesame seeds are great for your blood pressure due to their high magnesium levels, antioxidants, and vitamin E content. These elements reduce plaque buildup in your arteries, maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Number 6, reduced inflammation. Low-level inflammation in the body can lead to various health issues, including kidney and heart disease and cancer. Sesame seeds are loaded with antioxidants that fight off free radicals, reducing inflammation. Number 7, stronger bones. Both hulled and unhulled sesame seeds are rich in bone-strengthening nutrients like calcium, zinc, and magnesium. However, sesame seeds also contain compounds that can interfere with mineral absorption. Soaking, roasting, or sprouting them can help prevent this issue. Number 8, boost blood cell formation. Sesame seeds are loaded with nutrients that boost the formation of red blood cells in your body, thanks to their high copper and iron content. Just ensure you prepare them correctly for better iron and copper absorption. Number 9, stronger immunity. Sesame seeds are rich in essential vitamins and nutrients that strengthen your immunity, including vitamins B1, B3, B6, selenium, zinc, iron, copper, and vitamin E. Number 10, the magical power of antioxidants. Eating sesame seeds increases antioxidant activity in your blood, which fights off chemical reactions that damage your cells. This helps reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Number 11, better blood sugar levels. Sesame seeds help regulate blood sugar levels due to their healthy fats, fiber, and protein content. They inhibit digestive enzymes that break down sugar, preventing blood sugar spikes. Thank you for watching our video on the amazing health benefits of sesame seeds. We hope you found it informative and inspiring to incorporate these tiny powerhouses into your daily diet. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and insights.